Hello, guys. Nice to see you here. I'm Krzysztof Bochenek, CEO of Adshares, and he's Jacek Zemło, CTO and Co-Founder. And I need the switcher. Okay. Can I get the presentation on, guys? Okay, so today I will talk about not NFT, not DeFi, so this will be a boring presentation, but maybe not. We are a project from the marketing industry. In fact, we are IT guys, IT department. We had ICO in 2017, and we was locked in the room with 12 programmers for 3 years, and we've created a product. Sorry, how to switch that? Because it's not working.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we was working for a product for several years with no hype, no hyping coin. We've developed own blockchain, created from scratch, the legitimate proof of stake one, and we've created decentralized advertising protocol, which allows you to create your own ad network. It's like Google AdSense, yes, for banner display ads. And it's a central entity in the central of advertising, taking big commissions. We have an idea to replace that with a protocol based on blockchain. So we launched the protocol, and now we are ready to scale in our ecosystem. And my colleague will tell you how it works in a technical way. Maybe it's worth also mentioning that marketing industry is quite big. So we would like just small piece of this cake, but the small piece of this big cake will be something huge. And we just would like to cut the costs of online marketing.
Yeah, so I will take you to the technical side of things. I'm the CTO of the company, so let's start with how it works now. Basically now it's all the programmatic ads are run by the real-time billing protocol. It's like when you enter the website and there's a place for an ad and you as a user want to see an ad, and then it triggers an auction and various parties are bidding for the same view and they try to predict how much to pay for it. And it all happens in the blink of an eye before user even notices that anything happens behind the scenes. So there are some drawbacks of such design because it tends to centralize things. This bid action, you need to have like very efficient processes, efficient machines to do it fast. You can't like interact with millions of partners. You need to select a few big, so it tends to centralize fast, and that means monopolization, and that brings all the bad things like ability to censorship, privacy violation. You can track users, you can hide your costs, you can't really know what's happening inside. It's like a black box, and nobody is like big enough to do anything about it because you have to take the what do they give you? You can't. So this is a good time to change. It's what blockchain brings to the table is like back in the past, if you create the protocol that improves something, it's like a public good. You couldn't really monetize it. You either create the walled garden, it's not open for anyone to use, or you just give it to the world and you can't really profit from it. So now it's like a good time to improve this protocol, and at the same time you can also make a part that token economy inside of it, so it can be profitable. And as I said, it's centralized, like top 10 companies like make most of the revenue, and it's even increasing from highs that already is, so it's like, and there's also some unique challenges for Web3 ads, because it's like a lot of money exchanging hands, it's irreversible. This app, if they include some kind of third-party script that can interact with the website and they don't control what it does, it can end really bad. So we took another approach. These are design principles, so it's like privacy first, so only the involved parties ever know about any of the ads displayed. There's also a problem with advertising. Publishers always say different things than advertisers. For example, they have more views of the ad, advertisers say it was less. It's like either you introduce some arbiter in this, or you need to take another approach. We like split the responsibilities. Publishers have full control over the website, and advertisers are like full control over their budget. So, our idea is going like have a stake in the system. So these parties that might have different interests, they have some common interests. They both have the stake in the same protocol. So more technical stuff. So we did something different from the RGB. We actually moved auctions offline instead of some self-run entity running auctions. Advertisers now post their ads on our blockchain alongside with the bidding function. It's sort of a recipe that enables anyone to calculate how much the advertiser is willing to pay without even contacting him. So actions are offline. It's great for privacy. Nobody knows anything about the action before it is like complete and he won. So, and also there's like this. We created the space between the auction definition and the display, and it can enable another entire new marketplace inside of it. So it's like allows everybody to like disintermediate these things. You can buy only things you want. For example, as a publisher, you want to know what ad is about to effectively filter it. So. For example, you buy some service, a middle service for this. As an advertiser, you want to know what publisher websites are about. You can buy it as you need it. If you don't need it, you don't have to, so it's like a freedom. Also, we can create some nice like middleware inside of it. So, for example, if advertisers define the ad and what she's looking for, they can be a protocol, algorithmic providers that actually will create derived ads transparently without the knowledge of the advertiser if he accepts it, and automatically test what works and improve the process. Another thing is, for example, for publishers, if you have a website with serves mostly like CPA ads that only pays you if they convert, he have a really variable payouts. So someone can make a proxy ad and like smooth it out for him, and instead of variance over time, he gets a smooth payout and he can take small cut, and it's all transparent and very fine. So that's like for technical stuff, and I will take you more about what we've done.
So we've done all the ecosystem. Now we've got 4 advertising networks in our ecosystem, which are ready. We've developed the product. We are ready to scale at the moment, and we are acquiring business partners who will help us develop our business. We also have a coin, cross-chain, switched to BSC, to Ethereum, to Polygon. We are looking for a big exchange also to list us. And we would like to show the world how the blockchain can really improve marketing industry, and we would like to apply this. Yes, at the moment, we've got more than 600 integrations from a publisher websites, which means that the websites are using our software. We've got also 200 million monthly impressions a month in our ecosystem, which is a good number in blockchain, but not in whole marketing industry. We can process more than 1 million transactions per second with a commission fee 1 per 1,000 for all transactions. Yes, and in fact, we are decentralized solution, so we use Skynet for displaying ads. So advertisements you see on the website are stored in the decentralized storage, and we are implementing DAO-style governance for governing ad network, which means there is no central entity, but the product is given to community. Yeah, so we've got also airdrop automation for social media campaigns. And yes, if you would like to advertise using our ecosystem, please scan this QR code, and you will access our Web3 Ads.net ad server. And yes, we go on to the market. Please visit our booth, and thank you for your attention.